Hello, friends. Welcome to Saving with Cecile. I'm happy that you are here. In today's video, I'm going to share the deals, the one I did at Walgreens and the CVS. I'm going to combine it all together. And guys, the retail price is $96.80. But my out of pocket, I pay only $14. And then I earn $2 for my butter, and I got $3 registered reward from Walgreens, and also I took home $4 extra back for CVS. So it's like actually my out of pocket is only $5. This is a really good deal, and the one I want to share with you. If this is your first time, thank you so much for tuning in and watching Saving with Cecile. If you're subscribers, thank you for always coming back and watching Saving with Cecile. And let's go, and we're gonna start sharing our deal. So first, I have the deal, the one you're gonna do at Walgreens. So here at Walgreens, and if you do not receive a spending booster, spend 50 and they get $10 in Walgreens cash, because this one was only selected account only. So don't worry, because in this video I will share the deal where you can roll over register reward, and if you have a Walgreens cash, and then the out of pocket it will be very low. But before I share the deals, the one I did, and I just want you to be aware that we have the deal on Advil. So if you need Advil, you're going to need to grab one Advil for $8.99, and then a clip a three of one digital coupon, and also clip $2.90 off rebate. The one is going to send you by email, and then you will pay $5.99 after coupon, and then submit a receipt to Aboda is giving $2 back, and also you will get through your email, you will get the rebate for $2.90, and then it will look something like this one, and this is mine. And most of the time, this is the one I received last time, and most of the time, it's gonna take like 1 day and two, and make sure that your email is attached to your Walgreens account so you can receive this email, and you can redeem it at your PayPal account. So this is a really good deal. So if you're gonna get this Advil for $1, this is a really good deal. Another deal, the one, if your store has this Gillette Sensor 5, you're going to need to grab one for $11.99. And then we have $5 off one digital coupon, the one is attaching. And add the one Gillette sensitive gel for $7.99. And then a clip four of one digital coupon. The deal is spend 15 and then get $5 registrable. So the total is gonna be $15.98 plus tax, and the total coupons is gonna be 9. So you will pay $6.98 plus tax, and then you will get $5 registrable. The final cost is gonna be $1.98 or 99 cents each. This is a really good deal, but my store, when I went this morning, they were out, but they is in the store in other area. And another good deal we have the deal on the Oral-B replacement brush aid for battery powered toothbrush. So the price is $13.99. And then guys, we have $10 digital coupon. So after this digital coupon, you will pay only $3.99 plus tax, guys. This is a really good deal because we have this coupon. The final cost is going to be only $3.99. And we know that the summer he is here. So if you need a couple ton sunscreen protection, so you're going to need to grab a two for $11.99. And the total is going to be $23.98. And then a clip of $2 of one digital coupon. you will pay $21.98, but guys, you will get $10 in Walgreens cash. The final cost is gonna be $11.98 or $5.99 each. It's like buy one and get one free. So now let me share the deal, the one I did, the one I roll over register reward. So for my first transaction, I grab two Colgate for $5 each. So the total is $10, and then I clip a five of two digital coupon, and to pay, I redeem $5 in Walgreens cash. Out of pocket, I paid zero. I didn't pay nothing. And then I earn a $4 registry reward when you buy two Colgate. And also the Catalina print me the spend booster, spend 35 and get $7 in Walgreens cash, guys. This is what I was looking for. And I will keep this spend booster so to check and also check in your account what kind of the booster the one you received in my account for next week. I receive two boosters, and the one is on $10 in Walgreens cash when you buy three select feminine care, and another one is get the $10 when you spend 40 on select P&D paper goods. And we will see on Sunday which one I will need to combine it with this spend 35 and get $7 in Walgreens cash, because this is how the way when you do like this, this is the way you're gonna get freebies, guys. So I was so happy that I got this spend 35 and get $7 in Walgreens cash. So now I have $4 registered reward. And for my next transaction, I grab a two Dove body wash. The price is $8 each. So the total is 16. And then I clip a five of two digital coupon. To pay, I use $4 registered reward, the one on from previous transaction from transaction one, and I redeem again $5 in Walgreens cash. Out of pocket, guys, I pay only $2.58, and this is included my state tax. And I earn $8 registered reward when you buy two Dove. And now I have $8 registered reward, and I'm gonna use for my last transaction. So for my last transaction, I grab two Bounty Essential Paper Towel. The price is $4.99 each. And then I clip a one of one digital coupon. And I add one Charmin toilet paper for $4.99. And then I clip one of one digital coupon. So the deal is like you will earn $3 in Walgreens cash when you buy three. So the total is $14.97. And after coupons, the total is $12.97. And to pay, I use $8 register reward for my second transaction. And also, I had this $2 register reward, the one on a Sunday, and I give it to the cashier. So I redeem $3 in Walgreens cash. Out of pocket, I pay only 25 cents, guys, and then on a $3 register reward when you buy three. And now I'm taking all the items over here, and also I'm taking home $3 register reward. And now let's go at CVS. I'm going to share my CVS deal. So in my account every month, I have my monthly membership bonus. The one is I'm getting $10 each month. And also, I always save it. And all the time when I do the deal at CVS, and I like it to leave also the extra. I'm gonna do one deal. The one is gonna give me extra bucks, so I'm gonna leave in the account. Most of you, if you watch my video from CVS, I always have that monthly bonus and some money in the account. So this is the way I love to shop at CVS, and then he's helping me to save money this way. So for my first transaction, so I went and then I grabbed a one Tide liquid. It's on sale for $12.99, and then I clip on 3 of 1 digital coupon. I really want to try this Tide Ultra White. This is my first time to see this product, and I don't know. I just want to try it. And also, I grab one Tide pod for $12.99, and then I clip a 3 of 1 digital coupon. So the deal is get $8 extra bucks when you spend the 25. My total is $25.98, and the total coupons is $6. And then to pay, the total not to pay is $19.98 plus tax. And then I use all of my reward, so I use like my bonus. The one I have $10, and also I had $4, the one on the last time, and I use all those little one extra reward, the one I own in my account. And at a packet, guys, I pay $5.59 plus tax. And then it print me $8 extra bucks that I'm gonna use for my second transaction. The good about it here at a packet, I pay only $5.59, and then I on $8 extra bucks. So for my second transaction, I went to I grabbed a two Nivea men body wash for $5.99 each. So the total is $11.98. And I clip a 2 of 1 digital coupon. To pay, I use $8 extra bucks, the one I own for my previous transaction, my transaction one. And out of packet, I pay $1.98 plus tax, and it print me $7 extra back. So when you buy two Nivea body washes, so that's $7 extra bucks, the one I'm gonna use for my third transaction. I grabbed a 2 degree dry spray for $6.59, and also is on promotion, buy one and get one 50% off. So the total is $9.89, and then I keep a $3 digital coupon. To pay, I use $7 register reward, the one on from transaction number two. And guys, out of packet, I pay zero because my total it was zero, and then I earn $3 extra bucks. I submitted my receipt to Fetch. I didn't get my hope it was to get $1.50, but I didn't get it because I picked the wrong dry spray. So when you do this, if you want to do this one and look on the Fetch, the one because they have the selected one. I was thinking I didn't know read the small print, so it's only the selected one. And I was a little bit disappointed, but it's okay. Sometimes we make mistakes. So for my last transaction, I went to I grab a two Crest toothpaste for $3.99, and the total is $7.98, and then I clip a $2 digital coupon. And check your account if you still have if you have another $2 digital coupon, so it's better for you to grab one Crest toothpaste and one Crest toothbrush. But mine, I have only $2 digital coupon for the Crest for the toothpaste. So to pay, I use a $3 register reward, the one on for my third transaction. And at the packet, I paid $2.98, and then it printed me $4 extra bucks. And also, I submitted my receipt to Abota. I got $2 back. So the final cost for the Crest this week is CVS, and the final cost is free. Guys, this is all the deal, the one I did. As you can see, I said that the retail value is $96.80, and my auto packet only $14, guys. This is a really good deal, and this is the way you can save money in this way. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me thumb up. If you do not subscribe yet, please subscribe and don't forget to push the notification bell so you can be notified next time when I'm gonna upload a new video. Because my next video is gonna be I'm gonna do the Walgreens preview, guys. So you don't wanna miss this Walgreens preview. Thank you so much and take care. Bye bye.